Guys, and welcome to another video of the Geordie Workshop. Today we are going to be trying to start the motorbikes. Not just one, but two. Yeah, 2 secs before we starting the motorbikes, we're actually going to show you this one. So look, this is in work in progress. Yeah, we're going to be rebuilding it, but he's just been getting the frame off that. But now let's go and start a motorbike. So this is the, what's this one? A Suzuki VL 800.
Yeah, on the clutching on that one though when you do it.
I know. 2 secs guys, I'm just struggling to even get the keys in.
Does it do it?
There we go. It's just like your car, it goes in this ignition part. You've got to hold the clutch down. Can you fill him?
I'll fill him for you. There you go. Pull the clutch in.
Oh, is this the clutch?
That's a clutch, mate. There you go.
So yeah, this is the motor. We've not started it for a while. This is how loud it is. That's how bag sauce. It looks really good, like. Guys, we're actually going to be selling that motorbike, but not on YouTube. We're doing it other ways, but that will be going soon. Because we're rebuilding the other motorbike. But this does have a really hard suspension for some reason. I do not know, but shall I cut this one out? So yeah, we've just cut that one out. I'll take the keys.
Brogan's left the battery on this one, so it will not start.
Well, we have to get the jumpers out.
Oh no, he's done it this way.
Alright, guys, I'm just going to have to go and answer this phone call, so I'll give you the Happy. There you go, Happy. Oh, just hand up, just give us the camera back. Sorry about that, guys, it's just because someone was phoning us. Issues. So, yeah, someone's left that on. Shall I go and get the thing?
Kind of get it in, there's going to take all this off.
Alright.
Again, well, this bike is just not going to get shown.
Yeah, this bike is just really bad. It's because Brogan has left a mistake on it, the cameraman. Basically, he has left the ignition on, so now the batteries are flat. Look.
Off.
It's absolutely dead. Oh!
That's just clicking because it needs charged.
So yeah guys, I guess we're not starting this again. This always seems to happen, doesn't it?
It does.
It always seems to happen.
Talk about this one if you want.
Yeah, let's go and talk about that one over there. Sadly. So yeah guys, this is rest in peace. No, I'm only joking. We're going to be taking the frame off. We're going to use that. We're going to build.
All we want is this, but you see all the rust. I'm going to clean all that off, but I only want literally the frame and the front forks. We're going to change all of this off, everything off on it, clean the frame up, repaint it, and that. And then if we come over here and here, is everything off that one.
Hey, that's disgusting.
And that's the engine. What's going to go in it?
It's parts everywhere.
I know.
All off a stupid car accident.
Right. They're brand new tyres. I just bought them before I crashed.
It happened in my mum's Ford Fiesta as well. You bought a brand new tyres and then you crashed it.
Aye, so buying tyres isn't a good thing.
Yeah, don't buy tyres and drive the car at the same time. Because it all seems like car accidents happen. Doesn't it?
Aye, but that's a tank off here, that's the exhaust off here, and that's the things, the front forks is off.
Oh yeah, we didn't film it yesterday, but we did fix a lawnmower as well. And we fixed the whacker. Can we show them the whacker?
The whacker, you'll not see it. Oh, you're going to make you. Oh,
he's just going to take that stupid thing off.
Whatever you do, though, don't pull it because I've emptied the carburetor.
Okay. Look, 2 secs. This is the secret part of Geordie Workshop where you don't normally see. Where is it?
There, in front of you.
Oh, there. So yeah, that's the whacker. We've just fixed it. That smells disgusting, something.
It smells disgusting. Just being rubbish in here.
But yeah, this is the part where you don't normally see, guys. This is locked normally.
Storage.
This is just the storage unit. You've got some weird stuff in here.
That's where I normally blast all the stuff with the...
Oh, you've got your golf and stuff over there as well.
Got golf balls in and all.
Does it?
Aye.
You need a game of golf one day.
Do, mate.
And then we've got this stupid horse.
No, I know.
All because Harry wanted it.
Make it into an ornament.
That's such a weird project. This is just like stuff for your batteries and stuff. But yeah guys, this is the end of the video. I hope you liked it. And we're going to say goodbye.